Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to add a border in your image using Canva. First step is to open your browser. Now on the search bar, type in www.canva.com. This is the homepage of the Canva, and on the top right corner you can see create a design button. Click on it and here click on the poster option. Now first you have to upload the picture. Now click on upload and here you can see upload file. Click on it and select your preferred picture. After the upload is completed, simply drag this picture into the blank screen and here you can resize this image. Now to add a border, click on the image and on the top you can see this edit image option. Click on it. Now here scroll down and you can see shadows option. Click on it. After that you'll see these different options. Click on the outline. Now resize this border according to your preference, and if you want to change the color of your border you can click here. You can also adjust the intensity of the border as you prefer. This is it for today's video. Thank you for tuning in. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.